Gagawa tayo ng fluffy teal slime. But the ingredients are shaving foam or shaving cream, Ariel liquid detergent, mixing bowl, a spoon for mixing, Elmer's glue, it's white glue, and we got food coloring. So this is blue and green if you want to make teal. So you can do anything you want first, but you can start with 2 drops like that if you want the color to be light, or you can do more if you want it to be dark. So now let's get started. I'm going to put the Elmer's. Oh, there's bubbles. Wow. Eek. Let it drip. Let it drip, let it drip, let it drip. Ooh. Wow. So now, ang susunod natin ay food coloring. So I'm gonna start with blue. So add maybe 2 drops first. Okay, and then let's put green. Drop. Oh shoot. It's okay, we can put more. Oh wow. So just mix and mix until you want color. Wow. I think we need to put just 1 drop of blue because I think I accidentally put a lot of green. So now I put 1 drop of blue. Okay, I think we are, wait, let's just keep on mixing. So, mix and mix and mix and mix, mix and mix. So I'm putting and I add another drop of blue. So again, just mix and mix until you want the color you want. So our next one is shaving cream. Oh my god. No! I-shake mo muna siya. Okay, nabukas ko na. No. Buti hindi tuluyan. Okay, I think, oh wow. I think this is, okay. Okay na yan. Lemon. So now let's mix it. Wala, magiging light siya. Maganda nga eh kapag magiging light. Ang bango! So just mix and mix. Then shaving cream. Wow! Okay, I think, or maybe not. Okay, guys, I think we are finally done after all that mixing. Now we're gonna put liquid detergent. So now I'm gonna put liquid detergent. Okay, maybe that's good. So now it's gonna turn to slime. Oh, it's turning to slime. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Let's mix first. We just gotta mix. Okay, we need just a little bit more, then we're gonna use our hand. So just mix it. Wow! So we're just gonna use your hands. Okay. I think we're ready to use your hands. Okay, we're ready. So just knead it. Oh my god. So you can see it's really chunky, but it's okay. But if you knead it a lot more times and it's still chunky, you overactivate it. So just knead it. Oh, I think this is turning out good. Just keep on kneading first. Whoa, there's a robot. I'm watching. Sorry guys, you can't hear the noise. Ooh, it's turning out really good. So just take all of it. Okay. I think we are done. Wow, sobrang fluffy siya, guys. Gawa tayo ng Instagrams, bro. And just week, and week, and week. Oh, mahulog na naman ako. Wow! Hey. Wow. Okay guys, ang ganda-ganda niya. So guys, sana nagustuhan nyo ang fluffy teal slime ko. And if you like my video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to it so you get notified in every vlog I do. And comment down below. Wait, let's comment down below. I love slime! I love teal slime. And please, no bashers. I just want good comments because I'm still a kid. Because I'm still a kid. Even if it's not a kid, you should love each other. So see you guys on my next vlog. And don't forget to spread the love and to spread my channel. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye.